Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. After iOS 17.2 on, lot of iPhone users are facing battery draining issue. It happens in every new update. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix iOS 17.2 on battery draining issue. Solution 1. Turn off location services. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Here tap on Location Services. If it's turned on, turn it off. When you need, you can turn it on. Solution 2. Remove the widgets from lock screen. Some widgets like weather and news are constantly refresh the data to show you the latest information. It might be a chance to drain your iPhone's battery. To remove, long press on the widgets and tap Remove Widget. Solution 3. Turn off mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can turn off mobile data in Control Center, but turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth under Settings app because this won't be turned off completely when you do it on Control Center. Solution 4. Turn on optimized battery charging. For that, launch Settings app. Find and tap on Battery. Tap on Battery Health and Charging. Turn on Optimized Battery Charging if it's off. Solution 5. Disable Automatic Downloads. For that, launch Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Tap on Automatic Updates. Turn off iOS updates. Solution 6. Turn off background app refresh. To do this, launch Settings app. Next, find and tap on General. Tap on background app refresh. Again tap on background app refresh and select off. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.